BigCommerce. Welcome to our BigCommerce tutorials. Today, we will learn how to create a customer using Postman in BigCommerce API. Every business must manage its customers well. Using information about your customers, you can send marketing campaigns and emails or remind them to create an account if they don't already have one to become loyal customers. If you want to manage customers effectively and retain customers for a long time, this is necessary for your business. Due to the reasons mentioned above, BigCommerce will help you create a customer in BigCommerce today. The process of creating a customer includes 3 steps. Step 1. Check scope on BigCommerce. Step 2. Access Postman. Step 3. Create a customer using Postman. Now, take the first step, check scope on BigCommerce. In the videos 1 and 2, we showed you how to check the scope, but BigCommerce had updated, so I will guide you how to check scope again. First, go to the home page. Then select Settings. Now roll down on API section, then click on API Accounts. Now, go to the second step, Access to Postman. Then, create a new workspace. Let's move on to the last step, create a customer on BigCommerce using Postman. Notes: you can create a customer with global access or channel-specific access. Global access. Make sure the channel has Allow Global Logins enabled. This is on by default only for the default storefront. Find more info at Customer Settings Channel. Omit Channel IDs field, or provide Channel IDs, null. Channel-specific access. Provide a Channel IDs array containing the channels accessible by the customer. This array cannot be empty. Now we are prepared to create a new customer. Create a new post with this URL. Firstly, make a new GET with this endpoint. Replace with your store hash generated on BigCommerce from the API path. 1. In the header section, you need to declare the information. Accept application JSON. Content type, application JSON. XAuth client, client ID. XAuth token, access token. If this is the first time you make a call in the Postman, you must generate API credentials from the BigCommerce admin account. You can read blog how to create a BigCommerce API account on the BigCommerce website. 2. In the body section. First, you need to click on the body section, then tick it raw to fill the data. Remember to change the text to JSON. Now, you need to declare your customer's information like our example below. To know more about the attributes to declare, follow BigCommerce Dev Center to learn more. After filling in all the information, click the Send button to send the API request. Now, backing to the BigCommerce store to check out, you will see the result. The above are all steps to create a customer on BigCommerce using Postman. Please comment below or refer to our BigCommerce API documentation if you have any questions. Hopefully, you can do it. With the BigCommerce tutorials series, we can help you save a lot of resources. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the following video about BigCommerce API. If you have any suggestions or questions, let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. BigCommerce. Connecting application automating processes.